welcome to my channel. If you're new here, welcome. I really do hope that you become part of my amazing family by clicking the subscribe button. Today is a Sunday and I am just tidying up the house, refilling the stuff that needs to be filled, and just doing a self-care kind of vibe and relaxing, man. There's nothing really much going on today, just me cleaning and all. So I'm just gonna take you guys along. I'm just gonna take you guys along with me. I've already done my laundry. I need to hang the last bit of laundry, and then I need to pack some of the clothes that I've already dried into my wardrobe. I need to trim my eyebrows as well. My eyebrows are now bushy, so I need to trim and shape them. What else do I need to do? I already cut my nails early in the morning, and I shaved my legs, as you guys might have noticed. And what else do I need to do? That's about it. I'm just gonna plan for the week, and yeah, I will see you guys as we progress with the day. Okay, so I'm done doing the dishes, right? And I'd like to put this chemical. It's called Chemical Liquid Drain Clean. It unblocks drains fast, right? Not that the drains would be blocked, but like, you know how when you do dishes sometimes, I specifically when I do dishes sometimes, there's like all of those leftovers in the basin, and sometimes I don't throw them away. I literally just use my hand to spray everything down. So I put this so that it doesn't block the drainage, right? And it smells really strong. So this is how it looks. So it's the chemical liquid drain cleaner, and it says pour 250 ml of the product down the plug hole, allow it to stand for at least 30 minutes for tough blockage, pour the entire content of the bottle down the plug hole, allow it to stand for 4 to 6 hours or overnight, and then flush it with hot tap water. Okay, so I'm just gonna put, mine is basically 250 ml, but because I don't have a measuring container, I'm gonna put 2 lids for each basin. So 2 lids on the first basin, and then 2 lids on the second basin, and then I leave it like that. I'm just gonna clean the whole house, and then maybe later I will come and drain it with hot boiling water. Hey guys, so it's evening time now, and I just took my evening shower. It was a long day of planning and cleaning and all of that good stuff. But now I'm gonna trim my eyebrows. So I couldn't trim my eyebrows earlier because the lighting was so bad, and I wanted to show you guys how I do it. But my room was just not cooperating with me. So I just wanted to wait for nighttime so that I could use my ring light. And I think it's a lot better now. Okay, so in case I look down, please just bear with me. Please just bear with me. Okay, so you're gonna need a speedy brush, right? And then I've got Vaseline, Blue Seal. Well, you can use any lubricant, to be honest. Some people use conditioner. Some people use coconut oil. Some people use olive oil. It depends on what lubricant you've got. And then, of course, you need a razor blade, right? So, yeah, let's get into it. Okay, so I'm just gonna brush my eyebrows upwards, right? Just so that I can figure out the shape that was there last time. So as you can see, from this part going up all the way here, you'll see that my eyebrow was trimmed. Okay, let me brush that part down. You see that my eyebrow was trimmed in that shape, so it was like that, right? And this side as well, it was like that, all right? But I think I want to change the shape. I think I want to change the shape to this, but like on the inner corners, there's not much hair. Like the hair hasn't grown yet, so that's gonna be a bit tricky. But I think it's doable. Uh, let's see how that goes. And then you take your Vaseline and you just add a generous amount of Vaseline. Okay. The lubricant is just so you don't cut yourself, really. It gives you an easier, workable way to move the razor blade, and also it just helps with the scarring. You tend to cut yourself less, right? Okay, so I'm just gonna go from the top and just go in. Okay, so I'm done trimming my eyebrows now. As you can see, they look similar and a bit different from my usual shape. So today I just went in and I reduced the the inner part of my eyebrows. I just made them a bit thinner, and then I just went in and I curved by the corners, and this is the end result. Not so bad, right? Yeah. And that's it for my video, guys. Thank you so much for coming through. Thank you so much for watching. If you're new here, please do subscribe and become part of my amazing family. That would help me grow, and I truly appreciate it. If you're a returning subscriber, thank you, sweetie. You know the drill. I will catch you guys in my next vlog. Until then.